Still outside the starting gate. Runner number 6, that's Royal Kapupu. Gauge point, open racing, G.I. Jane, Jumps Creek, Royal Kapupu, Flag Ceremony, G-Swatter, Mapagi Nara, and Price Angel, who's running in a tail of the field, out of straight day trouble. It's Flag Ceremony, leads Balang, followed by Royal Kapupu. Right down into G.I. Jane, G's Warrior, closing in on the outside fourth. 4 lengths back in fifth, Mapagi Nara, and Price Angel. And into the back day trouble, Flag Ceremony being hounded by Royal Kapupu. G.I. Jane, G's Warrior, Price Angel, and Mapagi Nara. Inside the last 600, Flag Ceremony, G.I. Jane moving up now by the wheel. Royal Kapupu running in third, down in fourth, G's Warrior, 2 lengths back, Price Angel, and Mapagi Nara. And towards the last 400 is still Flag Ceremony. G.I. Jane washing up, G's Warrior, Nara Fadra, Royal Kapupu. As they turn for home, G's Warrior, now for the outside, Royal Kapupu in the middle, G.I. Jane, Flag Ceremony, but it's still G's Warrior by some 3 lengths, Mapagi Nara, now running in second and finally G's Warrior. Mapagi Nara, Royal Kapupu, G.I. Jane, Flag Ceremony, Price Angel.
Your unofficial winner for this race number 6, none other than the 5 horse, that's G's Warrior. Mas sa segundo dyan, numero 2, Mapagi Nara, numero 6, Royal Kapupu, at numero 1, G.I. Jane. Yan po ang inyong unofficial placing para sa inyong race number 6.